QuickBooks Self-Employed is an accounting tool designed for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners to help manage income, expenses, and taxes. To get started, create an account with basic details like name and email, or log in if you're a returning user. The system will then ask for information about your business structure, industry, and other basics, which is crucial for automatically tracking income and expenses. Connecting your bank, PayPal, or credit card accounts allows QuickBooks to pull in transactions. The platform is divided into several key features. First, there's the setup and dashboard, where you'll provide basic information and connect your accounts. Next, you'll track income and expenses, where all linked transactions will show up. QuickBooks automatically categorizes some transactions, but you may need to manually adjust categories like meals and entertainment or advertising, or create rules to categorize transactions in the future. Invoicing is another key feature, where you can create professional invoices by adding client details, services, payment terms, and amounts, and then email them directly to clients. QuickBooks allows you to track when invoices are sent, viewed, and paid. The tax features automatically organize your transactions into IRS-compliant categories to help track deductions, and the system will give you estimated quarterly taxes based on your income and expenses. You can also generate tax summary reports to see income, deductions, and tax liability. Additionally, QuickBooks Self-Employed offers a variety of reports to help manage finances, such as seeing how much money you're making and spending, viewing tax-deductible expenses and income, and breaking down expenses by category. The mobile app provides the same features as the desktop version, plus GPS-based mileage tracking, and allows you to capture receipts and categorize expenses on the go.